Good morning, students. Today we will check whether a number is a prime number or not. Before doing a program, we need to know what is prime number. So prime number means, suppose you consider a number, suppose you stored the number inside the n variable. So 1, 5, 3. If this number is divisible by 1 and 153 itself, we call this number is prime number, otherwise not. So in between 2 to 152, if any one of them, this number, in between any numbers divide this particular number, so we can say this number is not a prime number. So let's start the program. So I'm writing the remaining portion first. So import java dot util dot start class, suppose prime check. I'm writing prime scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, so I'm writing the method. So void prime check system dot out dot print, enter a number to check whether it is a prime or not, message this one. Okay, now I'm taking a number int n is equal to sc dot next int. Now I'm doing the calculation. Okay, so simply I'm using a loop which is for loop. So for the I starting value is 2, this one, and ending value is I less than n. You can use means n less than means 152, or you can use n by 2. What is the difference between n by 2? So n by 2 means 153. So 153 by 2 is equal to 2, 7 and 13, so 6, 13. So before after 76, no one can divide this number. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, so we can do one thing, we can write n by 2 or n. If you write n, it will checking up this number. If you write n by 2, it's checking up to 76. Okay, means half of this, half of your input. Okay, because half of the input, suppose you are using the 9, it's not possible to divide a 9 with a more than 5 or more than 4. It's not possible. So below 4 is possible, but above 4 is not possible. So half of more than half value cannot divide any number. Okay, so you can use n or n by 2, is your choice. Now I plus plus. Okay, next I'm writing here, I'm just checking whether the I can divide this n or not. So I'm writing if n mod I is equal to 0, means this number n mod I is equal to 0, meaning is if n anyhow divided by, so n mod I means if we are checking whether I can divide n or not. Once I divide n, that means the n is divisible by I, so it's not possible, so it's not prime number. So that's why I'm writing here, I'm just doing one thing, I'm just taking a variable whose value is c is equal to 1. If it's not a prime number, C become 1. So before C1, the value of C int C is equal to 0. Okay, and break. So what is the meaning of this break? You know, break help us to terminate a loop. Break help us to terminate from a loop or particular scope, right? So before entering this loop, value of C is equal to 0. Once n divided by I, simply we are changing the value of C become 1 and we break. So once we are getting suppose 150, so possible to divide by 2. So why I am checking the rest of numbers? 5 possible, 10 possible, but why I am checking these 2? So once I see this number is divisible by 2, that means it's not prime number. So we are not move forwards. So we just simply break from this loop. Okay. So now I'm checking if C is equal to 0. Means C never inside this loop, inside this if statement. So it's not possible to divide. So C is still 0. If it's entered, then C become 1. Not entered, so still C is 0. So once C is equal to 0, then we can say this is a prime number. So we print system dot out dot print that n plus is equal to is prime number. Okay, program complete. Now you just close the method, and we can write the main for creating object. Public static void main string args. Then simply creating object which is prime of class object. Prime obj is equal to new prime bracket open close. Then obj dot is the operator. Then we call a method which is prime check. Okay, then method close, then class close. I hope it is clear for you how we write the program. Check the number is prime number or not. I'm just holding my copy for you, so you can pause it and write the entire code. This is the calculation portion. I'm just writing for your helping purpose. Okay, so those who are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the notification of my next video.